So hello everyone, today we are going to solve a new Leetcode problem which is called as maximum matching of player with trainers. So in this question you are given two arrays, players and trainers. In player array, every ith value represent the value for each player, like how much they can be trained. And for trainers, every index shows the training capacity of that trainer. So in this question, what we need to do is that we need to return the maximum number of matchings between player and trainers, which specifies the condition where ith player of ith value in player and ith value in trainer, where trainer ith value is greater than or equals to player. So we have to solve this question. So as you can see is that the both the arrays are unsorted, and if we try to find just simply use this condition and use two loops, it will create big O of n square solution, which will be inefficient. So let us see how we can solve this in least time complexity. So what we are going to do is that let's first copy the input and let's see what is the approach I'm thinking of. So this is the array. This is the test case that we are going to solve. So, so my thought process is that we can simply sort both of the arrays. So this will be a sorted player array and this will be the sorted trainer array. Okay, if we have both the sorted values, then we can use two pointer approach in order to simply check like if the condition is valid or not. Here, what we can see is that if we compare 4 with 2, it does not satisfy the condition because the player ith value should be less than equals to the trainer's ith value. So we move the pointer j for the player value to 5, and we can see that the condition is satisfied. So we increase the count by 1. Count is currently 1. Then we know that according till this point we have got one value. Then if we got one value, then we will increase the ith pointer from 4 to 7. Now our pointers are at ith pointer is at 7, jth pointer is at 5. Then we have to again update the jth pointer. Now it will be pointing to 8, and now we will check 7 is less than equals to 8. We satisfy the condition, so we will increase the count to 2. Then we have then again got a pair. Then we will simply again go to next index, which is 9 and 8 for your player and your trainer. Then we can again see that we also have the condition satisfied, so we'll increase the count by 1. And according to this condition and this hypothesis, we are able to solve this question. So let's see how the code is implemented. First of all, I'm going to sort both of the arrays. Then I'm going to declare a variable which is going to use to be store the count and all the players, that the maximum number of matching between player and the trainers. And I'm going to take a j pointer. I'm going to simply loop over the player vector, and then for each value in player, I'm going to I'm going to go through the value in j and try to find the valid condition. So here what will happen is that if you declare j equals to 0, and for each value you start from again from the starting, it will create a runtime error, not a runtime error. It will result in a time limit exceeded, because in a sorted array, if if you are an ith index in your players array, why you want to check all the values from start again, because they are not going to satisfy any condition, right? So what we are going to do is that we are taking j out and simply checking till from the index where the last value was left, right? So this was the code. Let's run this, and our test case is accepted. Thank you for watching.